My name is Sharon Sutherland and I'm here on behalf of the Auction One team to present this excellent investment opportunity. This property is part of a deceased estate which we've been tasked with finalising, and I'm excited to walk you through its potential. Located in the highly sought after area of King Williamstown, SCHORNVILLE is in an ideal position, being close to the CBD, which is a key employment node. This is significant because it means high demand for rental properties in the area. The proximity to essential amenities like schools, shops and public transport, along with the ever so popular China Mall, makes this location especially desirable for tenants. Now let's talk about the property itself. It consists of 4 units on one earth. That means 4 times the potential monthly rental income, which is an excellent investment opportunity. And as an added bonus, the property is situated in a quiet cul-de-sac in SCHORNVILLE, ensuring a peaceful environment for tenants. Of the 4 units, 2 are in need of repairs as a result of vandalism. However, the other 2 units are currently tenanted, generating a monthly rental income of R3,800 per unit. Each unit features 2 spacious bedrooms, family bathroom, a spacious open-plan lounge and leading onto a fitted kitchen. Additionally, the units come equipped with prepaid electricity meters for tenant convenience. What we truly love about this property is its low-maintenance clinker brick build, which adds durability and reduces long-term upkeep costs. The property also boasts excellent security, including high fencing around the perimeter, ensuring peace of mind for both tenant and investors. The rental income generated from the current tenants makes this property an excellent, affordable option for people in need of housing within a specific price range, ensuring consistent demand. This is truly a great investment opportunity, especially given the potential for growth and the current income generated from the already occupied units. So don't miss out. If you're interested in securing this property, contact us today. Don't delay.